Hey, my name is Paul Kim. Thank you for coming to the channel. I want to welcome you and I want to ask you a couple of questions. Have you been struggling with online marketing, your website, social media, and all the other things that come with your business? Hey, welcome to Real Estate Life 360. My name is Paul Kim, and let me ask you a couple of questions. Are you struggling with figuring out online marketing, digital marketing? Are you struggling with your website? Are you struggling with social media and the amount of time that it requires? Or maybe you spent a lot of time with no results or little results. Okay. And I've been there, I've done that. And so in this channel, my goal is to give you the foundation and the step by step of building your online presence and starting your online digital marketing so that you can generate leads online. And if you're a real estate investor or an agent, this is the perfect channel. Why? Because I've been a real estate investor since, I'm not even going to go back there. And since 2004, I have been, I started part time looking into real estate investing, and along the way got into foreclosures, short sales, got into rentals, and then a couple of years ago started a marketing agency just because of my own frustrations. So what I am good at is I am good with online technical stuff, and I enjoy real estate. Real estate is my life, is everything around me. And so this is the reason why I came. This channel is called Real Estate Life 360 because we're looking at real estate as in 360. It's part of you, it's part of our life. And if you are an agent and investor, I hope that you can stay around, subscribe to my channel, and as you can see, video is going to be around. And so just even this video that I did right now, there's no editing, nothing involved, just straight. I'm using a headset that I've used since probably for the past couple of years. I do have this mic, not even using that, just because it broke. And hey, you know what? Just being out there providing valuable information is what people want to hear. And so in this channel, I hope to do that by giving you some foundational stuff that's necessary for you to start your journey. All right. I look forward to seeing you more next time. Bye now.